Hey there, eco-warriors. Did you know that Earth's underwater forests are in serious trouble? Today I'm talking about the ingenious ways we can save these vital marine ecosystems. Let's dive right in. First stop, Shark Bay, Western Australia. Beneath the stunning red rocks and white sands lies one of the world's largest seagrass meadows. These underwater forests are home to creatures like the endangered dugong sea cow and the pink snapper fish. A bit further south, the Great Southern Reef stretches almost 5,000 miles and hosts towering golden kelp forests. These marine forests are critical for storing blue carbon, but climate change, pollution, and human activities are putting them at risk. The summer of 2010 to 2011 was particularly devastating. Shark Bay's seagrasses and corals suffered huge losses as sea temperatures soared. But the fight isn't over yet. Communities and scientists in Australia are coming together to restore these underwater wonders. In Shark Bay, scientists from the University of Western Australia teamed up with local organizations and Aboriginal groups to replant seagrasses. Last year alone, they planted 5,000 new cuttings. And guess what? 70 to 80% of these transplants have thrived in their new homes. On the opposite coast, the Coastal Marine Ecosystems Research Centre, CMERC, in Queensland is receiving new government funding to improve their seagrass nurseries. Marquita Sullivan, a Yidinji woman, left her job as a chef to help conserve these vital marine habitats. She's part of a partnership between the Queensland government and First Nations organizations to train Indigenous land and sea rangers. But there's more. Volunteer organizations like Ozfish are also stepping up. Their Seeds for Snapper project collects seagrass seeds to restore thinning meadows. In the last 2 years, they've sown around 2 million seeds back into the water. That's a lot of baby seagrasses. Scientists are even exploring ways to make underwater forests more resilient. For example, transplanting heat-resistant seagrasses to cooler areas could help these plants survive rising temperatures. And let's not forget the coral reefs. At the Australian Institute of Marine Science, Dr. Annika Lamb and her team are breeding corals to withstand warmer waters. They're also producing heat-evolved algae to help corals survive bleaching events. Kelp forests aren't being left behind either. Dr. Georgina Wood is working on assisted migration strategies to bring heat-tolerant seaweeds further south. Using green gravel, they give young seaweeds a surface to attach to before being scattered over the reef. So what's the takeaway here? Australia's underwater forests are dwindling, but massive efforts are underway to restore and protect them. It's a collective mission involving scientists, Indigenous communities, and passionate volunteers. The journey to save these vital ecosystems is a marathon, not a sprint. But with determination and collaboration, we can make a difference. Let's protect our underwater forests for future generations. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow eco-warriors. Together, we can make waves for positive change. Catch you in the next video.